GoPro view through Tucumcari. Or through some of it anyway. We might not hit every bit of it, but not real sure about how it works getting off the interstate and getting back on the interstate down through here. We always, the last 2 times that we went through Tucumcari has been going up 54 and going that route, so we'll just have to see what it looks like, but hopefully we get through the center of town anyway. And for anybody that hasn't had a chance to check out my second channel, the link is in the description. And we're about to pass a 5-part series that I've done. And actually it would have been a 6-part series, but something messed up with my camera ratio on that 6th video. I ended up taking it back down. And it was, yeah, and it was the best out of all of them actually. But this whole thing over here, we done a video and put it up on the other channel. And there's a motel on down about a mile that we got. That's the one that messed up on me. But I need to, and we also got the little house right back here behind the trees. You can't really see. We got that as well. And just remember, back your live stream up maybe a minute. Maybe you won't buffer too bad going through here. Here's the motel. This is the motel that we done. Some of you I know got a chance to see it before I removed it, but it was actually a pretty decent little video, other than the fact that it looked like I was looking up the whole time I've done a recording. But now if you just watch it through my through the GoPro, it's not like that. I didn't even realize that was there, or I did but forgot about it. Dang, I'll have to remember that one day and stop in there and get that one. Hit the refresh button. We will definitely drive right through the center here, because I'm pretty sure it comes right back out on the interstate. Just stay straight. Oh, that's neat. Tucumcari. Welcome to Tucumcari. Route 66. That's pretty neat. Buckaroo Motel. This must have been a pretty hopping town back in the day, because it does have a lot of little motels and stuff in it. Yeah, we got 3 miles, and we'll hop right back out on the interstate. We're going to just turn right through the center of Tucumcari. doing my best to keep the head movement easy on the eyes. I need me a GoPro 360 through places like this. But Tasha's not interested in being in all the videos, so.
What?
Huh?
What?
I said, you're not interested in being in all the videos,
No.
even though you're in quite a few of the GoPros. I need to get a 360 where people can turn and look at what they want to.
That used to be a KFC or no Hardee's?
I think it was a Hardee's. Oh, look at that. That is freaking cool.
It's a Mexican hat.
Mexican food under the sombrero.
Sombrero. Is it a Chinese restaurant? No, it's Mexican. Because
No,
I
it's
seen that
Mexican.
sign and I thought it was there.
It's Lasidia Mexican Foods. I think that's how you say it. And it looks like we're holding pretty good service through here.
Doubles. Pet supplies.
Bubbles Pet Supplies.
I want to kick that all down because it's...
Tasha-matic.
Better stop. I'll run you over. Bet she read my lips.
I believe she did. All kinds of garages down through here that shut down too. I guess it just didn't make it. All kinds.
This train. Now I'll get my cheek.
Oh, look at that. There, sir. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Do it best lumber.
Burns, lumber, and hardware. I don't. It's not a good name.
The Motel Safari. It's painted up nicely.
Yeah.
Oh, they had a
There's
camel
a
in there.
camel inside. Blue Swallow.
Blue Swallow
Yeah.
Motel.
They got clothes on sale in their lobby.
That might be the only way they can make money around here. Just by selling
That's
other
neat
stuff.
too.
Oh, look. God, did you see this?
Yeah, that was cool. It had horns.
It was like a dragon skeleton or something. Or maybe a devil skeleton. I don't know. God, that is pink. Pepto-Bismol pink.
Pink pants are pink.
Palomino Motel.
Stop it. No. Shush.
They got an O'Reilly's. I get that might be what run all the little shops out of business. The O'Reilly's. What the heck is that?
What? A bark?
It's an airplane head?
It's an airplane.
It's the cockpit of an airplane. There's another airplane. Route 66 Motel. Four-way stop ahead. Alright. Now we can either exit to the right here and hop on back to the interstate. Maybe. Or we can just keep on going straight.
I need a pilot for a lift. Maybe not. It's nice.
I don't know that we got enough room to make that turn.
You did.
He come from a different direction. Alright. Well, looks like we held service pretty good through Tucumcari. All except for after on the interstate. Tucumcari Lake should be sitting right there. I don't see it GPS. It's Tucumcari Lake. I don't think there's any fish in it. What do you think?
I don't know. I don't see it.
Look,
I don't see a lake.
it's right there.
I don't see it.
I said I don't think there's any fish in it.
All I see is grass.
The wagon train. Oh, that would be a good one to do. Alright, and if you enjoyed Tucumcari, don't forget to leave a like, thumbs up, whatever. Let Tasha know what you thought about it.